As businesses scale and content volumes explode, managing and distributing digital assets becomes more complex and more critical. Bynder, a powerful digital asset management platform, has emerged as a go to solution for marketing teams, creative departments, and brand managers worldwide. By centralizing all brand assets in a secure, cloud based environment, Bynder enables organizations to maintain brand consistency, reduce redundant work, and accelerate time to market. Whether you're in charge of a marketing campaign, launching a new product, or collaborating with agencies and vendors, Bynder provides a streamlined way to store, organize, approve, and share all types of digital content. In this video, we'll walk you through Binder's most important features, explain how they benefit your organization, and show you why Binder continues to lead the way in digital asset management. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized asset repository. Binder acts as a centralized hub for all digital content across your organization. Whether it's product photos, marketing videos, brochures, logos, or templates, everything is stored in one secure cloud based location. Assets can be organized using folder hierarchies, custom metadata fields, and smart filters. Admins can define taxonomy standards that reflect how different teams work, ensuring every asset is filed logically and consistently. This eliminates duplication, reduces file hunting frustration, and keeps everyone working from the same up to date materials. Another key feature is the advanced search and filters. Binder's powerful search functionality goes far beyond basic keyword searches. The platform supports AI powered tagging, usage rights filters, asset type selection, and even visual previews. Auto suggestions help users find what they need quickly, and saved search templates can be shared across teams. You can also perform batch actions such as tagging or moving multiple files at once directly from the search results. This saves time by enabling users to find the right assets in seconds, even in massive content libraries. Another key feature is the Brand Guidelines Portal. The Brand Guidelines Portal is a unique feature that allows you to publish and maintain up to date branding rules in one interactive space. You can include sections for logo usage, typography, tone of voice, color palettes, and more. These guidelines are directly linked to the relevant assets in your DAM, so users always have instant access to both the rules and the files they need. This maintains brand consistency across teams, channels, and partners, while reducing requests for brand materials. Another key feature is the version control and approval workflows. Managing content updates is simple with Binder's built-in version control system. Each asset can have multiple revisions with clear visibility into who changed what and when. Approval workflows allow you to assign review steps, set deadlines, leave comments, and trigger notifications. You can also restrict asset use until final approval is granted, ensuring only approved content goes live. This speeds up collaboration while maintaining high quality and full audit trails of all content updates. Another key feature is the role based access and permissions. Binder gives admins full control over who can access what content. You can create user groups based on teams, departments, or external partners, and assign granular permissions for uploading, editing, downloading, or sharing. Permissions can also be set at the asset or folder level, and you can customize access for specific projects or campaigns. These keep sensitive material secure while ensuring the right people have the access they need to get work done. So, why is Binder a great choice? Binder is more than just a digital filing cabinet. It's a full ecosystem for managing the content lifecycle. Its intuitive interface and modular design make it scalable for organizations of all sizes, from growing startups to global enterprises. Whether you're managing internal marketing teams or working with dozens of external vendors, Binder helps bring everyone onto the same page. In 2025, the platform continues to stand out due to its robust integrations, enterprise grade security, and investment in AI powered tools that automate asset tagging and streamline content routing. It's also GDPR and SOC 2 compliant, making it a strong choice for regulated industries like healthcare, finance, and education. So, whether you're relaunching a rebrand, expanding internationally, or simply organizing years of chaotic files, Binder provides the structure and automation to get it done right. So basically, managing digital content across teams and campaigns no longer has to be chaotic or time consuming. Binder gives you the tools to take full control of your assets, from upload to approval to distribution, while ensuring everything remains on brand and accessible. With its emphasis on user experience, collaboration, and powerful integrations, Binder makes it easier for organizations to manage large volumes of content at scale. So, if you're serious about brand consistency, efficient workflows, and maximizing content ROI, Binder is a smart, future ready investment for 2025 and beyond. So, start your journey to smarter content management with Binder today. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.